Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Reimagined. Today we're talking about something that a lot of us don't even realize can be an issue until it's too late: preventing mold in your front-loading washing machine. If you've ever opened your washing machine and been hit with that unpleasant mildew smell, then you know what I'm talking about. But don't worry, I've got a few tips today that I'll be sharing on how to keep your washing machine mold-free and smelling fresh. So let's dive on in. First things first, always leave the washer door open after every cycle. Front load washers are designed to seal tightly to prevent leaks, but that airtight seal can also trap moisture inside. By leaving the door open, you let that moisture escape and avoid creating a damp environment where mold can thrive. I even use a door prop that holds the door open for me so it doesn't accidentally get bumped closed. It's been a total game changer. Next up, always wipe down the rubber gasket around the door after each wash. This is where water, soap scum, and lint like to hide, and if you don't clean it regularly, it can start to grow mold. I keep a microfiber cloth handy and just give it a quick wipe after each load. Check in all the folds of the gasket too. You'd be surprised how much gunk can build up in there. Tip number 3, make sure you're using the right detergent for your front loader, specifically a high efficiency or an HE detergent. And don't go overboard with the amount. Too much detergent creates excess suds that don't rinse out properly, which leads to residue that can feed mold growth. Less is more when it comes to detergent, so follow the recommended amount on the bottle. One of the best ways to prevent mold is to regularly run a cleaning cycle. Most washers have a dedicated clean washer cycle, but if yours doesn't, don't worry about it. Just run an empty, hot water cycle with a washing machine cleaner of your choice. I do this at least once a month to help break down any soap scum or buildup inside the drum. It keeps things fresh and clean and mold at bay. And don't forget the detergent drawer. This area often gets overlooked, but it can collect a lot of residue from detergent, fabric softener, and even mold over time. I wipe mine down with a clean towel or even just leave the door open after each use. And at least once a month, I take mine out and rinse it in warm, soapy water. If it gets really gunky, you can soak it for a while and scrub it with an old toothbrush. So there you have it. 5 simple tips to keep your front-loading washing machine mold-free and smelling fresh. So let's do a quick recap. Always leave your door open after each wash. Wipe down the gasket regularly. Use the right detergent and don't overdo it. Run a cleaning cycle once a month, and don't forget to clean the detergent drawer out regularly. If you follow these tips, your washing machine will be in tip-top shape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Home Reimagined below for more cleaning and home hacks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning!